Good morning, Lena speaking.
Hi Lena, how are you going?
Good.
Good, it's Michael here from the MS Society of WA. I'm just calling to thank you for your support in purchasing an MS Luxury Lottery ticket. I think you bought one a while ago. Look, we just wanted to say, look, we really appreciate your support. I know you and Trevor bought the ticket together. And I know you guys have supported us for a while, so thanks so much for that.
No problem.
Look, there was another reason for my call. Len, I just needed to tell you that you've actually won the early bird prize.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So you have the amazing choice between $20,000 in cash or a Bora Bora holidayscape valued at $21,550.
Oh, now the cash sounds good.
Yeah? How's that for a return to on a $50 lottery ticket?
Geez, so we actually won $20,000.
Yes, you have.
Oh my God. Unbelievable. I've never won anything in your life.
Well, you know, it's all added up to now, so huge congratulations.
God. Yeah. Thank you so much.
That's an absolute pleasure.